Most people assume powerful excavators cost as much as a small house, or at least a new car. But what if that assumption is completely wrong? Look at this Chinese mini excavator, a machine small enough to fit through backyard gates, but tough enough to handle trenching, grading, and real job site pressure. It's less than half the size, less than a third of the price, and yet it's changing the game for landscapers, solo builders, and weekend contractors. Let's discover how this underdog machine lives up to the hype through 2 years of real-world use and the honest pros and cons that no brochure ever mentions. Now, don't let its size fool you. This machine can hustle. This isn't some toy, it's built for tight spaces and solo crews who need serious work done on real job sites. We're talking about a 1.2-ton mini excavator that fits where bigger machines simply can't. But here's the question. Can something this small and affordable actually hold up when the pressure's on? Okay, now see how this works, because under the hood, you'll find a reliable 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, or something very close to that. It weighs between 1.0 and 1.2 tons, which is light enough to slip through narrow gates, but heavy enough to stay steady when digging. Speaking of digging, this Mini can reach depths up to 6.5 feet. Perfect for everything from trenches for irrigation or plumbing to small foundation work. Its tracks span about 3 feet, making it ideal for working in cramped backyards or tight construction sites, and the hydraulics, well, they're surprisingly smooth. Powerful enough to trench with precision, yet gentle enough for fine grading and leveling. This little machine really is built to punch above its weight. But what if I told you this machine costs less than a used sedan? And that's no exaggeration. A brand new Chinese mini excavator typically runs between $6,000 and $10,000. Pay once and it's yours. There's no rental contracts, no monthly debt, just ownership from day one. So now let's talk some comparison. If you go shopping for a name brand like Bobcat, Kubota, or Caterpillar, even a well-used model, and you're looking at starting around $25,000. If you want a newer one, you're quickly climbing to $40,000 or more. That's a massive gap. In fact, you could buy 3 or 4 of these Chinese machines for the price of just one mainstream brand. And here's where it gets real. Renting. A compact excavator might run you $200 to $300 per day. So if you rent it for just 100 days, a few big jobs, and you're easily looking at $20,000 plus out the door. And you still don't own it. With this Chinese model, you can buy it once, use it for 2 years, and you've earned back the money you used to purchase the machine. And that's not even factoring in labor. This little machine can cut man hours in half. So what takes a small crew an afternoon to do, this knocks back in a few hours. Fewer hands, faster work, and more money in your pocket. So yes, the price is right, but buying is only part of the story. The big question is what happens after a few hundred hours of digging, grading, and hauling. So here's what broke and what didn't. After running this machine hard for 2 years, some parts wore out and others lasted longer than we initially expected. A few things needed fixing. The throttle cable snapped, the hour meter quit, and we added a spare belt just in case. The original starter motor eventually gave up after a few hundred hours, but the good news was that none of this was expensive. Most parts cost around $20 to $30, and you can replace them yourself with basic tools, so there's no need to pay for a mechanic. Maintenance on this mini excavator is simple. Oil changes are quick, greasing the joints keeps everything moving like it should, and checking the belts now and then helps you avoid surprises. Because it uses a Briggs & Stratton style engine or something close, getting parts is pretty easy. You'll find them online or even at a local shop. One thing that stands out is how easy it is to work on. Just open the back panel and you can reach everything. The engine, belts, filters, you name it. There's no crawling underneath or dealing with cramped spaces. Even when the starter went out, the machine didn't leave us hanging. It has a pull cord backup, so we still got it running. That kind of built-in backup is rare in budget machines, and honestly, it's a big deal. So yeah, you'll have to do some maintenance because that's normal, but it's not a headache and it won't break the bank. With regular care and a few simple repairs, this little excavator held up better than we expected, even with heavy daily use in tough conditions. That said, no machine is perfect, and before you make a decision, it helps to look at the full list of pros and cons. That way you'll know exactly what you're getting into. So after 2 years of putting this machine through its paces, here's the honest breakdown. On the plus side, it costs less than a month's rent on a bigger brand excavator. That alone makes it a game changer for small businesses or solo operators. Its size is perfect for tight backyard gates and narrow job sites, yet it's tough enough to handle trenches, grading, and other real work. Moving it around is a breeze, and you can haul it easily on a small trailer without extra hassle. Best of all, it pays itself off fast by saving you time and labor costs, but it's not perfect. Driving can feel jerky, especially if you're used to smoother controls on more expensive machines. Some factory parts, like the hour meter or throttle, are of low quality and should be replaced right away. There's no official warranty or customer support phone line to call when things go wrong, and if you're not comfortable with basic mechanical repairs, this could get frustrating. That said, if you're okay with doing minor fixes yourself and understanding what you're working with, the pros definitely outweigh the cons in our opinion. For the price and capability, it's a solid investment. So, is it worth buying? Well, at this price, you honestly can't afford not to have one. For small contractors, solo builders, and weekend side hustlers, this is a total game changer. You're working with tight budgets, tighter deadlines, and no room for machines that cost more than a used pickup truck. This Chinese mini excavator shows up right where you need it: small footprint, strong performance, and seriously low cost. Now, is it perfect? Like we've said in the video already, no, of course it's not. It has its rough spots. The controls take a little getting used to, and some factory parts feel like they came from a toy set, and yes, you'll want to keep a wrench nearby. But here's the deal. What you might spend fixing here and there, you save big in money, rentals, and labor. Imagine pulling up to the job, unloading your machine, and getting to work within minutes. No waiting, no rental calls, no chasing down equipment. It pays for itself faster than you'd think, and just keep showing up day after day like the real MVP of your crew. So if you're ready to stop renting and stop borrowing and finally start owning your equipment, this is the smart way in. So if that sounds like a win to you, go ahead and grab yourself a Chinese mini excavator. Smash that like button, subscribe for more smart gear picks, and stick around because we've got more tools coming your way that'll totally change how you work. Now if you're ready for something that lifts bigger dreams, click the link below to watch the super crane that's rewriting the rules, the DMAG CC 3800.